So after you have created the departments, you will proceed to create the agents and also associate them to the departments. So to do so, click on Agents, Add Agent, and you will be able to access this Add Agent page. So fill in the name, the email address, and give the agent a username and the password. Then assign the agent to a role. So whether it's an agent, just an agent, or whether it's an agent and supervisor. So to be a supervisor, it means that you have more access rights, such as to reset the password of the agent. You will also need to assign this particular agent, whether it's an agent or a supervisor, to a department. So you can actually assign the agent to just the business department, for example, or you can actually assign, say, this particular supervisor to multiple departments such as business and tech, for example. So once you're done, you click submit and a record will be here. So you can see that there's an account owner, you can have supervisors, and you can have agents, and you'll be able to see the full name, the access right type, and the contact details, and which of the assigned departments is this agent belonging to, and whether or not is this agent an active agent or not. So in a way, if you were to actually click on, say, this, you can actually suspend the user for a while, and if you were to click on this scroll bar again, you will also be able to activate this agent back. And to edit the details of an agent, you can actually click on the edit icon to edit the details, and to delete, you may just click on delete to delete this particular agent. And as a account owner, you and a supervisor, you will have access to actually do resetting of the password for the agents.